Hi guys, welcome back. I am showing you the October 2021 Deluxe Theme Kit from Not Just for Boys Kit Club, and this one is called Mary. And I am already seeing lots of this Pretty Little Studio Frosty collection, which is gorgeous. Now I also have the add-on pattern paper kit, so I'm gonna have two of each of the pattern papers, but you will receive one of each in your Deluxe Theme Kit. Okay, so this one is called, it's from Pretty Little Studio Frosty collection called Winter Cottage Wood. And I mean, it's got this gorgeous wood grain. It's kind of a satin finish, this paper, by the way. And this wreath, and it is stunning. And we've got this sweet little deer and almost like a chartreuse color little berry bits. Rather cool. And the back side of that, oh, it is single-sided. So the backside is white. Good to know. Okay, so this means I get to cut one of these out and not feel bad about it. Okay, so the next one is, this one is from Pretty Little Studio Frosty. It's called Frosty Morning. It is the most gorgeous, almost like a periwinkle. It's definitely blue, but it's got like that little frosty, icy blue. I mean, it's called Frosty Morning. What am I talking about? Color with all these leafy bits and the little berries, and gorgeous. And then the back side of that one is this piece right here, which is just wonky skinny lines and a nice dark charcoal color. Great background. This piece right here is called Cozy at Home, and it's frames and frames and frames and frames, which would be so fun. Think about the zillion shaker pockets you could make. And then this one, ooh, this is a gorgeous plaid. So super fun, icy winter plaid. There's got this slight little orchid tone in there. It's so pretty. The next one I have, it's also Pretty Little Studio. Look at Frosty Go. Did I tell you the name of the frame? Cozy at Home. This one's called Look at Frosty Go. We've got this cute little snowman with a little orange nose doing his thing amongst these little pine trees. The back side of this is a gorgeous stripe with all of the colors in the collection, and it's got a nice bright white core, which is my favorite, that white core. Then I have this piece here. This is My Mind's Eye from Gingham Gardens. It's called Georgia. So it's like a bone color or an off-white with leafy bits. The back side of that is this gorgeous, really pale, it's like a pale robin's egg blue with gray tones. This is a Bo Bunny piece called Joyful Christmas Decorations, and it's from Joyful Christmas. So look at the like nostalgic Christmas bulbs. They are pretty. Oh, there's so many ways I can think to use these by cutting them out. That's so pretty for Christmas scrapbooking. Oh, I love this. And this is the back side. It's this icy, gorgeous Union Soldier blue color background. And it's variegated and stunning and amazing. And then the last piece I have, it's from Echo Park Paper Company, Dots and Stripes in medium blue. So it's medium blue with white dots and then more of a tone on the back side. All right, so let me see what comes with this. We have the Blueberry Muffins ABC Tile Sticker Alpha that goes with the Frosty Fun collection. Guys, look at how cute he is. He's so cute. Okay, so we have that. We have this full set of Vicki Boutin stickers. They are puffy phrase and accent stickers. They're called Warm Wishes. And there are titles and titles and titles on here. There's also stars and little circly bits. And just so cute. Oh, look at these hanging ornaments. I have to sneeze. Excuse me. Sorry. Photo op. Loving this. Hot cocoa. Warm wishes. Guys, so pretty. Our cut file reads Mary, which is the name of the kit. Cute. Ooh, look at these acrylic pieces. So this, I don't know how it's coming on camera. It's navy blue, pale blue, and then this really nice pale green. Oh, such cute little ornament bulbs, Christmas bulbs, what have you. Ooh, guys, I don't even know what material these are. Come on out, guys. You guys all have to come out. These are so cute. They're little reindeer and they look like epoxy, but they look like vintagey painted little guys. Oh, those are cute. So cute. Okay, those are cute. We've got some trim papers and look at how cute this little bag is. That would make an adorable shaker pocket, this little bag. So lots of trim in here. And let's see, we have a nice deep blue for a trim. Did you guys see that? Nice deep blue. Gorgeous leafy bits. Oh, gorgeous leafy bits. And they're pearlescent. I've got, oh, this is really cool. It's like felt charcoal gray snowflakes. And then some pom-pom trim, which is the bee's knees. Then after that, I need a piece of plain paper. Ooh, this will do. I have got 2 different packs from the Frosty collection from Pretty Little Studio. These are called sugar cookie die cuts. And I want to show them to you. There are 50 of them in here. Come on, little guys. Come on. They're getting stuck on the adhesive. Let's see. Come on, little guys. There's lots and lots. Okay. Oh, and look at the packaging is so cute. Okay, sorry guys. I clearly do not know how to get things out of packaging. So we've got, oh, cute little bear on the menu. If kisses were snowflakes, I'd send you a blizzard. That is so cute. There's no place like home. It's an adorable little fluffy squirrel. An excited bear. Strong, smart, brave. My favorite winter activity is going back inside where it's warm. I'm with you. This sweet little deer. It reads chilling out. Got a little squirrel. The word love. All right, so let's see what else. Hot cocoa, cozy blankets and movies. Oh, that sweet little deer again. Let's cuddle. This one has the days of the week, and this is black, just in case it's not coming across on the camera. This sweet little bear with a bow. Happy birthday, a funny little puppy. Nice big spot. Like, what a great cluster starter. Little kitty, the word happy. Yellow circle, ooh, kind of like a gingham. And it looks like there's almost like a tape mark or something on it. That's cool. Oh, here's a larger one with the days. Oh no, with all of the months, best friends. So there's like wordy bits and little hearts and circle pieces. So you can totally layer and layer with this collection. What I also like about all of these is like they'll say happy birthday or they'll say different things. So you don't necessarily just have to use them for winter or Christmas. Let's see. Each snowflake is beautiful, sparkling, special. Just like you. Cute little critter. Oh, and now we have some triangles. How cool is that? All you need is a book and warm socks. Currently, my favorite, little kitty cat. All you need is love and hot cocoa. More triangles. Oh, these triangles are cool, guys. We have a wonky heart. Kindness is like snow. It beautifies everything it covers. Oh, what fun. Big gingham. Oh, and now, guys, now we have hexies. Hexies. Everything I need is right here. So hexies and gingham and polka dots and little sayings. So cute. Okay, so that's that set. And I'm going to move it to the side. And then I have 19 Snow Friends Vintage Dies, it's called, is next. Come on, little guys. So there's 19 little Snow Friends. Vintage die. I bet it's supposed to say die cuts because this wouldn't be a die. Let's see if I can get them out easy. Oh, good, I did. All right, so we have a sweet little bear. Maybe I'll go down on this one, down like this so we can see it really well. So we have a sweet little bear, little deer, a puppy. See, oh, a snowman with that sweet little deer. That deer is adorable. We have so many deer that come into our yard that, you know, I think about them all the time like that. So you could have a whole, I have this picture I just took, and I know that this is a kit reveal, but with like, I'd say 10 to 12 deer running through our park. That would be awesome because they're all frolicking around. A little kitten, a penguin, snowman, snowman with the penguin. This snowman has a kitty. Snowman with a puppy. The snowman is just having itself a good time. Chipmunk, it looks like, more than squirrel. I don't know. Puppy, nice little blue heart. This snowman has the puppy, the bear, and another dog, and then all of the friends all together. Okay, so that is the deluxe theme kit, and let's see, as well as I have the extra pattern paper pack for this kit. So the next video I put up, I'm going to have the page kit by Meredith Twilling, as well as any of the add-ons that I was able to get. So stay tuned.